In this video, I will show you how you can create a shortcut using Siri 2.0 on the iPhone 15 Pro or the Pro Max. Now to do that, just open the app library, then in the search bar, just search this. Now after the iOS 27 update, the Shortcuts app has been redesigned and Apple Intelligence or Siri 2.0 has been integrated into the Shortcuts app. Now to create a shortcut using Siri 2.0, just tap on the plus icon over here and just give a prompt for the shortcut which you want to create. For example, I will enter this prompt to create a shortcut to disable the ringtones and alerts volume as I open the camera app. As you can see, if I go to the home screen and if I open the camera app, as you can see, the camera shutter sound is turned on. Now to disable the camera shutter sound, I will create a shortcut using Siri 2.0. Now after you enter the prompt, then tap on send. Now since we have multiple camera apps downloaded on this phone, now just select the camera app for which you want to create the shortcut. Now you can select both of the camera apps from here, but I'll only select the default camera app for this video. And as you can see, basically we have created a shortcut as when we open the camera app, the ringtones and alerts volume should be set to 0%. As you can see, if I go to the home screen and if I open settings, now let's open the sounds and haptic settings. As you can see, the ringtones and alerts volume is on 100%. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the camera app, as you can see, not only the camera shutter sound has been disabled, but also the ringtones and alerts volume has been set to 0%. Now you can do the same thing for when you close the camera app. Now if you go back to the Shortcuts app, now let's create a new shortcut. Now you can use the Shortcuts app to create a new shortcut for when you close the camera app. As you can see, I have entered a prompt as when we close the camera app, the ringtones and alerts volume should be set to 70%. As you can see, the shortcut has been created. Now if we go back to settings and if we check the ringtones and alerts volume, as you can see it is on 0%. Now if I open the camera app, now if I go to the home screen, the ringtones and alerts volume will be set to 70%. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.